Hi, welcome to Missologist. So we are now making the drinks from our January box. Super exciting. So the first one we're doing is a Peary Apple New Year Daiquiri. And honestly, the reason I decided to do this was that I had the Barmalade pear apple stuff and I made a daiquiri with it and it was so good. And I thought, well, this is a really good winter drink because, you know, we're still kind of in a wintry, we are in winter, and, you know, to me, winter is like apple pie, pear, all that. So it seemed really appropriate to do something with the Barmalade, but also a lot of people get sort of depressed during January because it's kind of like this, I don't know, it's January. So I thought that for the box this month, I would do a tropical vibe, you know, so that's why I chose rum for the box. And so yes, this is a Peary Apple New Year Daiquiri. So this one has rum, lime juice, and Pear Apple Barmalade. So let's make this beautiful drink. Okay, so what we do is put 2 ounces of rum in our shaker. And if you didn't know, a daiquiri is actually not a frozen drink like what they have in New Orleans. It's started out in Cuba and it's really just rum, simple syrup, and lime juice. And if you haven't had one, I highly recommend making one because you'll be like, what? This is so good. It's very simple, but it's really, really delicious. Okay, so we got our rum. And don't worry, I have more rum because I know I'm almost out of that one. And that was Florida Cana rum. Okay, so we got our rum. Let's get our lime juice. Okay, let's get our half an ounce of lime juice. Beautiful lime. Ooh, still kind of stuck. Hold on. Okay, there we go. Didn't want to let go. Okay, so we're gonna squeeze some lime juice. Okay, hopefully we have enough. It seems like it should be enough, but you never know. Okay. Okay, perfect. So I'm gonna put in 0.5 ounces of lime juice. Oh, brilliant. It was like perfectly 0.5. That's amazing. Okay, so that's in there. And now we're gonna do 1 ounce of Pear Apple Barmalade, which I'm gonna shake first, just, you know, so it doesn't get all the ingredients are nicely distributed. Okay, 1 ounce of this. Oh, okay, there's a few weird lumps, but whatever. Okay, that's our Barmalade. And now I have a handy dandy icy thing now, which keeps, or you know, you can do that. But anyway, the ice thing keeps the ice from melting. It's amazing. So I'm very excited to have this now because it should help. So put 3 ice cubes in, 3 to 4 ice cubes. Make sure that's nice and sealed. And I'll probably do the same thing the next time I open it. Okay, and we're gonna shake our daiquiri. Okay, and we're gonna pour our daiquiri in this lovely, gorgeous glass here. Oh wow, it's so pretty. So again, this is a Peary App New Year Daiquiri. So let's see how it is. It's so good. So anyway, it's really, really yummy. It's it's just so good. It's like winter, but it's a daiquiri, so it's also tropical. It's just delicious. The flavors go so well together. The apple, the pear, the lime, and the rum. And I will say the apple and the pear comes through really strongly. And I was hit with the pear first, which is fine, but it's really, really yummy. It's delicious. Really good. Anyway, cheers.